Hello my beautiful people, how are you? Today I'm going to do a first impressions on the shadow palette from Revolution Pro. This is the Forever Dynamic. Honestly, this is more like a makeup tutorial than first impressions because I'm expecting the exact same quality as the large palette I tried like last month, I think. So without any further ado, let's do this. Alrighty beautiful people, so you won't be seeing my entire face today just because I have this beautiful cold sore right on my nose and it's not cute. I don't want you to see that, okay? So you only be seeing my eyes. This is the eyeshadow palette I'm going to try in today's video. I'm going to do a simple smoky eye with a twist. I'm going to use this beautiful pigment from Kaima Cosmetics. And to apply it, I'm going to mix it with the Duraline. For primer, I'm going to use my Sheglam primer. I'm not loving it, but I do like it. Anyway, let's do this. It's kind of early in the morning. My voice sounds a little bit crazy. I'm having my coffee right now, so it's like pretty early for me. You guys, I think this will be my last video in this room just because tomorrow, Friday, we are starting to move stuff to the other place. So I wanted to post a video today. Today is my uploading day and here I am, 9:30 in the morning filming, and then I'm going to edit and post it tonight. So I'm going to try to stay as still as possible because I know it's annoying. Bear with me, okay? Nice. I feel like I have a pretty smooth, nice canva. And you guys, this is brand new. As you can see, I'm going to open it with you right now. And of course, I don't have my nails just because I'm cleaning and moving stuff. We are in the process of moving houses, you guys. Okay, so please bear with me. If I won't be posting next week, it's because we won't be having internet connection. And I know that sucks, but let's pray it won't be happening. So this is the eyeshadow palette. Let's open it real quick. Okay, wow, that glitter looks absolutely fabulous. We have 3 mattes, 1 glitter, and 2 shimmers. And I don't know why they put this grayish shade in here because it's not going with the rest of the colors, but who am I to judge, right? I'm going to use only these 2 shades for today's makeup. So let's do it. I'm going to start with the darker shade and I'm using a fluffy small brush. And I'm going to apply this all over my lid. Oh, this is a lot darker than I thought, but it's okay. So I'm going to apply this like a cat eye shape, but I'm not gonna go too close to my eyebrow because I want to go with the lighter shade in there to kind of blend everything together. That looks nice. It doesn't look patchy. I like it. So that was easy peasy. Next I'm going to take a fluffier brush and I'm going to pick the other shade, and I'm assuming this is not light. Wow, it looks a little bit more powdery. Let's see how that goes. Definitely no. Okay, let's see if we can make it work. I don't know why they didn't put like a nude brown shade in here or even a nude pink. Anyway, so I'm going to try to diffuse this. Okay, listen, I don't like the transition right here, so I'm going to take the larger palette and use, I don't know, Sahara right here. Use this shade just to blend everything out in there because it doesn't look right to me. This worked, right? Like it looks nice and blended. Next I'm taking some concealer on this tiny little brush and I'm going to create that you know, cat eye liner. Take your time. I'm going to clean right here. I hate when these dry out. Like, I feel like I need to apply a little bit of micellar water on it because they are not wet anymore. Next, I'm going to go with concealer and then set the concealer with powder. And I feel like now is the perfect time to apply concealer under your eyes as well. Do you guys even see what I'm doing here? It's so hard to be in the frame when I'm this zoomed in. They really don't want you to see my nose, like, so fucking annoying. I messed up. Okay, listen, that's fixable. I'm going to take this brush and see if we can do something. You see, it's fixable, so trust the process. So you need to be careful with the concealer because you can totally mess everything up. Learn from my mistakes. Okay, next I'm going to take my sponge. You can take a smaller brush if you want to be more precise. So I did set that with powder. Next I'm going to create a smoky underline, and I'm using a small flat brush, but it's not that flat. So first I'm starting with the darker shade. I'm going to go straight like that. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't see it. My bad. Oh, this angle is not good for me to do my under eye. I'm going to try, okay? Because I feel like I need to look down. I'm trying my best here, okay? If you see my nose, ignore it. Next I'm going to go with the other shade, and I'm picking just a little bit because I'm going to go again with Sahara from the larger palette. I picked Sahara on my brush and I'm going to blend a little bit this line, but pretty much that's it. Like, we want to blend it just a little bit. I love how this looks, you guys. I don't think I ever did a similar makeup look like this one. Okay, wait, so I'm going to take a little bit of concealer on my tiny brush and I'm going to clean the bottom line as well because I want this to look sharp. I changed my mind. I'm going to use Mythical, also from Kaima Cosmetics, just because I feel like purple works a little bit better with this color combo. Yellow was a little bit out of place. So I mixed that with Duraline and I'm going to apply it right on top of this concealer. Okay, so make sure you allow it to dry because that can happen. I'm going to go with this tiny brush and try to fix it. And I'm going to allow this to dry. Ah, fuck! That was my fan. I wanted to use my fan. Whatever. You guys, I love how this, that's my neighbor. I love how this turned out. So beautiful. Alrighty, my beautiful people, so this is the final result. I added lashes and mascara. I love how this turned out. I just went to buy some food and I got complimented for my eye makeup. What? And honestly, you don't have to correct those lines with concealer because I noticed that if you go with some glitter on top, it won't be noticeable. So that's an extra step if you want to do the step. And a few words about this eyeshadow palette. I honestly feel like it's the exact same formula as their other palettes. It's not mad. What? I'm not mad. No, of course I'm not mad. I want to say that the formula is not bad, especially if you are a beginner. Like if you don't have enough experience working with eyeshadows, I feel like this is perfect for you because they are not extremely pigmented. They blend very nice. I'm intrigued to use this glitter in here because it looks so beautiful. Also this shade, let me just watch it. Watch it! Wow, I can't talk. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. I feel like it has like a purple shift there. Dang, that's beautiful. Wow, that's gorgeous. So let me know what you think down below if you like this type of eyes. That scared me. Let me know what you guys think about this eye makeup look and also about the little eyeshadow palette. Let me know if you guys have this one. Anyway, so that was it for today. I hope you guys don't mind if you haven't seen my face in today's video, but as I said, I have this nasty cold sore on my nose and it's not cute, trust me. Also it hurts like hell. Anyway, so that was it. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.